and welcome back to my channel. And this is your Honey Hands. Good morning! So ngayong araw, wala tayong pasok na naman. So gala tayo mga mi. Punta pala ako sa sa friend kong Somali. Daw kami, magluto kami ng baris. Baris. Yung may lam na na rice. Baris man yung tawag sa kanila. Tapos kami. Ewan ko kung anong lulutuin pang iba. Tapos pizza daw kami. Luto kami ng pizza. Punta pala tayo ng market. May nakalimutan akong bilhin kahapon ba. Saan kaya yung wallet ko, no? Ay, ang kiko andito na. So, ayun. So, mga mi. Doon na tayo kasi mamayang hapon. Papunta ako kay Atin yung sa kong kaibigan. Magluto daw yun ng masarap na salmon. Parang gourmet. Gourmet ba yun? Ang sabi ni Kuya. Kahit ano na lang ginagawa ko mga mi. Talagang magala itong Inday Hands niyo mga mi. Wala naman tayong pasok, di ba? Naboboard din ako dito sa bahay. Matagal na kasi itong plano namin na anong tawag dito? Magluto sa kanila. Kaya, ayun. Para mai-share ko naman doon. Tapos sa mga kaibigan ko, pag uwi ko ng bahay, i-share ko doon sa sa family ko. Tapos, hala. Yung ko pala, yung phone ko nakalimutan. Ano pa ba? Kalimutin eh. Wala na. Okay na lahat. Ayan, mga mi. Sa baba na tayo magkikita, mga mi, kasi nahirapan ako dito sa ko, mga mi. Madala ko. Hala, nakalimutan ko ba? Siguro, andito pa yung cheese. Ay, nako, andito lang pala. Tingnan nyo, mga mi, nakalimutan ko na. Diba? Yung dalawang cheese, dalhin ko to. Tapos ito. Tapos ito. Yun. Ang bigat ng bag ko, Kasi, mabigat pala tong ko. Nakabili pala tayo ng kebab for pizza kasi nakalimutan ko kahapon. Kulang pala ng ng kebab. So, kailangan natin to kasi itatap natin toppings natin to sa pizza natin. Uy, naku, ang grabe, ang haba ng tunnel. Akala ko mga mi, siya. Tingnan nyo. Papunta to ng Buosari. Grabe, ang haba ng tunnel talaga papunta sa kanila, Nakaka-amaze. Akala ko mga mga 100 meters lang to, pero ewan ko kung ilang kilometers to mga mi. Nasa na ako, nasa kalagitnaan na ako ng tower ngayon. Oh my God, it's so amazing.
In 400 meters, turn right onto the ramp to north.
Ang ganda ng place nila dito, Walang traffic. Hindi ako makapag-video
In
naman.
600 meters at the roundabout, take the third exit onto Borslagsvigen.
Ayan, forest sila. Nasa forest pala yung friend ko nakatira, mga mi. Malapit sa forest. Ganda ng nila dito, area. Province na province, mga mi. So, dito na tayo sa nila, mga mi, sa anong tawag dito sa lugar ng ng kaibigan ko. Finally, nakarating na rin. Ang layo pala, 30 minutes by car. Layo, mga mi. Kuhanin na muna natin yung natin. Yung bag. Yung bag. Wait lang, mga mi. Ilagay ko kayo dyan. Kuhanin muna natin yung bag natin. Tapos, yung isa pala. Diyan lang muna kayo, mga mi. Lagyan natin ito, mga mi. Ano ba ito dahil? Iya. Ay, nako, Diyos ko, Lord. Let's go na mga mi. Kasi 10:30 na dito ng morning. Ayun. Naset ba natin yung ano natin? Okay na. Wait lang mga mi, tawagan ko muna yung friend ko. Yan ang ano nila dito, nature yung paligid nila dito mga mi, oh. Napakaganda ng ano nila dito. Nature nila. Malapit pala sila sa forest. Wala masyadong tao, oh. Ayan, oh. Ganda. I'm a Somali for a day. Alright, Fardosa, thank you so much for this one. She let me wear this one. Yeah, nice. Somali dress siya. May what is this called, Fardosa?
Dira.
Dra.
Yeah.
And the inside, this one.
Gorgoro.
Huh?
Gorgoro.
Gurguro.
Yeah.
So nice. See? Bigay daw niya sa kanya to mga kasi maluluto kami na. We will cook pizza and baris. Right, Fardosa?
Yeah.
Baris?
Brace. Yeah.
Baris. We don't have work today, so I come to her place. And see? Hello, mommy. Oh, strawberry syrup.
Yeah. This is.
What is that?
Scarf. But it's big, so we call Somali garbasar.
Somali Garpasar.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's not big as, but we use.
How do you wear that one?
Like
Somali
this.
Garpasar.
Garbasar. When we are teaching, Somalis must have this, that we don't have to open our hair. That's which is the food. That's why I'm wearing this. But normally, if I'm chill out here, I don't have this. But when I'm teaching, I must have.
Okay.
I don't want my hair on my food
Yeah, of course.
like this.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
These things I cannot see in video. I didn't see in them.
Oh.
Shall we peel everything?
Yeah. You can.
You really cooks good. Ako nag-moist siya. Ito yung carne.
Take with you this.
I am the one who is cooking. But I wanna learn this. Just let me know, huh? This has oil, salt, and warm water. So now we're making a dough for the pizza dough. Like this. Now it smells like bread. It's really bread. Nan,
Yeah.
you eat na? It's hard to knead, right? It's hard because this tastes sticky.
It's done now.
I'm so afraid if my finger will. Ito na yung karne ng natin, ng lamb natin. Isasalang natin yan sa oven ng 15 to 20 minutes. Tapos, ito naman ang natapos nating sauce. Ang sarap niyan mga mi. Napakasarap. Tapos ito, for the toppings, and all. And this is our rice with creamy rice, basmati, bukar. Sarap no? Tapos maglagay din kami ng raisins later. Lamb is ready! Then we have pizza sauce. Oh, it's so good. 12.56.
12?
56.
Almost
Almost one. One for pizza. See, after 20 minutes. We are now making pizza. And we will make a ball.
You can turn the other side. Turn
Like this.
the flour up, then down. Like this.
How many minutes are we going to put the bun there? How many minutes we need to bake?
20 minutes.
30?
13 minutes.
30?
20, not 30. 15 to
20.
10 minutes, I guess.
You're also using naan so much? Eating, no? Chicken and cheese. I think this is enough. We have to put pineapple, mascarpone. This pizza is so good. Are you vegetarian? No, not vegetarian, right? Oh, you're not. You're not vegetarian.
No.
Ano, cook na lamb namin na binibake namin kanina. Oh, may mga guys kami dito. It looks so good.
Pizza.
Yeah. Vegetable pizza.
Pesto.
Pesto.
Yeah.
Pesto pizza. So good. Rice berries. Rice berries. This one. Is this okay?
Yeah. It's okay.
It's really good. So, shall we put it in the plate? Do plating now?
Wait a minute.
Lunch. And the lamb, the fried lamb, and then the berries, right? And the lemonade. And we have salad also. And what is this sauce?
Chutney.
Chutney. Ah, chutney.
Yeah.
Ah, this is chutney sauce, okay? Chutney sauce, okay. And then we have this fried carrots and the potato. So that's all. And we have 2 bananas because Somali always eat bananas with rice. This she said. It's okay. This is how Somali eat their food. First is the rice with the chutney, right? But it's finished. And they top it with the sliced banana. They always eat banana with the rice. And then with the,
If you need, here's the chutney.
yeah, I need. Thank you. Nice. And then the carrots with the carrots and potato. Yeah. And they eat like this. It's really good. But the first time it's kind of weird, but It's really good, mga mi. mm. And with the matching salad. Mm. Birichi rice is perfect. Thank you for cooking, dear.